Because I know his weak points.
What's your points?
He's too emotional now. I know what to tell him that will get him too angry, too pissed. Like I even cry. I swear to God.
Like what?
It's like what? You know, he normally brags about my son, my wife. His wife is close to 60-something years old.
Hi guys, and welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Still on your favorite TV show, Bbnaija, I'll be taking you through the happenings in the house right now. As Ozo suffers heartbreak, Brighto reveals secret about Praise wife, Tolanibaj and Prince about to break up, and Erica revealed that Brighto has feelings for her. Okay, we're starting with the Ozo heartbreak. Bbnaija 2020 housemate was shocked after all Nengi had to say to him. From the beginning of the Bbnaija 2020 lockdown season, Ozo has been in a roller coaster of emotions with Nengi, and the viewers are also riders in this roller coaster. At first, Nengi didn't give Ozo or his feelings for her the time of day because she had a boyfriend outside the house and did not want to disrespect him. What started off as a bare cordial relationship had evolved into an amiable friendship that we thought would eventually become a romantic relationship soon enough. We are not the only ones who felt like Ozo and Nengi would end up in a relationship. Ozo felt so too, and we could see it in his eyes and actions. Unfortunately, Nengi is adamant about remaining just friends. On Wednesday, Nengi dashed whatever hopes there was for anything romantic to blossom between the two. She said to Ozo, "I hope I'm not giving you the wrong signal. I'm worried because I don't want to give the wrong signal. I don't want the closeness to come off wrong. Don't get the wrong signal and confuse our closeness for a relationship." This was not the first time Nengi has done this, as sometime last week she said that Ozo was like a brother to her. Yup. Ozo was put in the dreaded brother zone. The series of events and daily routine in Bbnaija 2020 house between the two might have led to a misconception that there was a relationship between the two, and Nengi wanted to kill it before it went too far. The gentleman that Ozo is, Ozo always made Nengi comfort a priority, cooking breakfast almost every morning and sometimes serving it in bed, helping her with chores, hairstyling, and ensuring that she was living a stress-free life. Recall that in one of his diary sessions, Ozo said Nengi had all the qualities he found attractive in a woman. We see that, sir. Although Nengi always paraded her relationship outside the house, that she hoped to get back to her boyfriend, as she confided in Biggie that Ozo had the prospect of being a boyfriend if her ex-boyfriend moves on. This roller coaster is not for the faint-hearted, but we are happy then the two parties involved have the heart for it. Tolanibaj and Prince head for breakup. Tolanibaj and Prince might not go far in their relationship, with several complaints coming from the lady who says her expectations are not being met. Prince was in a square situation with Nengi, Watoni and Tolanibaj before finally going for Tolanibaj. They have been together for days now. The lady in question was seen talking with Neil, and she was complaining that her love languages are not being met by Prince, who is supposed to be a man in the Bbnaija 2020 house. She also told Neil that she daily discovers things she does not like about Prince, and she feels she is trying to change him, which is something she would not like to do. Before they became an item, she told him to put effort in getting her publicly if he truly wants to have her to himself, and she still wants to feel wanted, but a man might not be meeting up to that expectation. Will this ship survive the house? And if they do, if there is a future for them outside the house, or should we expect a breakup from them soon? I'm thinking they are going to break up very, very soon. Brighto reveals deep secret about Praise's wife. He said Praise's wife is close to 60. Wow. Brighto, who many fans have noted his manipulative skills in the Bbnaija house, has made some claims about housemate Praise. Brighto recently alleged that the woman Praise got married to and also has a child with is close to 60, claiming that Praise married her or is about to marry her because of her money. The housemate disclosed this while having a conversation with Kidwaya on how Praise talks to him rudely. Brighto alleged that Praise told him about his wife few weeks after they got into the house. He also alleged that Praise is with his wife for money. He said, "What I want to do is, whenever he says anything, I'll tackle him. I know his weak point. I know what you can tell him that can make him very angry. 2 peas that he can even cry. You know, he usually brags about my son, my wife. His wife is 60-something years. I'm telling you something, I swear to God, he told me, trust me. Wow, this is a very, very big revelation coming from Brighto about Praise. No wonder he's always going about older ladies. You know, he was with Katrina before she got evicted. Now he's with Lucy. Praise and Lucy might be on the verge of a relationship alliance in the Bbnaija house, but it's still too early to call. There's something brewing between Praise and Lucy, and it has definitely caught the attention of many. The two have been extra close in recent times, and this afternoon they spent time huddled up while preparing for the tax. It seems Lucy has found the company she craved for since the eviction of her close friend Katrina. The eviction of her close friend left her lonely and in need of company, and Praise came to the rescue. Seeing Lucy in a tight embrace with Praise raised few eyebrows and had the internet buzzing with a couple of questions. Question best explained by first recalling her first fight with Nengi, where she accused her of always craving male attention in the house. This made the street of social media question her motive and contemplate if the reason she was really worked up was that she wasn't getting any attention of her own. There's enough room in Biggie's house to build romantic relationship, and if this is what Praise and Lucy have got going on, we are totally here for it. Where it will end, we have no idea, but it will be fun to watch, and watch we shall. Erica revealed that Brighto is catching feelings for her. Brighto catching feelings for Erica is one of the unlikely things to happen in Bbnaija 2020 house, but Erica seems convinced about it. Erica is having the time of her life playing the Bbnaija game. The Abia State born actress who is in a fun and fleeting relationship with fellow Bbnaija 2020 housemate Kidwaya claims that another colleague, Brighto, has feelings for her. Kidwaya and Erica are obviously not looking to go into a committed relationship, as Erica has said that what she has for Kidwaya is purely physical, and Kidwaya has not declared any feelings whatsoever towards Erica. Since there are no strings attached to this situation between Erica and Kidwaya, both housemates occasionally step away from themselves to flirt and mingle with other housemates. On Wednesday, in one of those flirting episodes, Erica dropped a bombshell on Brighto. She said she was aware that he had feelings for her, leaving Brighto with his jaw dropped. Erica continued, "Brighto, I had a dream about you. In the dream, you were telling me that you have feelings for me. I knew it. I know you're trying to hide it, but I see the way you look at me. I'm serious. I see the way you look at me. I see the way Brighto looks at me." Although Erica said it was just a dream, should we be anticipating a Brighto and Erica ship too? Please leave a comment in the section below. Let me know your opinion on all of this. And please, if this is your first time of viewing my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops. Stay tuned to Naija News and Entertainment for more updates on the Bbnaija 2020 lockdown show.